Hello everyone. Let's start fourth part of chapter 2, that is acid, base and salt. Now we are going to learn the chemical properties of acid and base. Let's start the topic. First, the next chemical properties is acid and base in water solution. First, in case of acid, when hydrogen plus ion is dissolved with water, then it gives H3O plus, means hydronium ion. We can give example. When HCl means hydrochloric acids dissolve with water, then hydronium ion and chlorine minus ion are produced. And here H plus ion cannot exist alone, so they can exist in hydronium ion form. You can see this example. Next, in base case, the base is when dissolved in water gives OH minus ion, means hydroxide ion. Means when sodium hydroxide dissolves in water, then Na plus and OH minus ions are produced. Next, we can see that what is the common in both acid and bases. In first, all the acids have H plus ion, you know previous part, and in base cases all bases have hydroxide ion. In acid cases, there H plus ions responsible for their acidic properties. Here more H plus ion, more acidic properties, and more OH minus ion means hydroxide ions. It more bases means strong base. Okay. Next comes to universal indicator. We had already known in previous part about indicator. Okay. Here universal indicator is a mixture of several indicators. It shows different colors at different concentration of H plus ions in this solution. Means the universal indicator shows different color and different concentration of H plus ions in different solution, means acidic acids, yeah, and some base cases. Next comes to pH. Here you can see this picture, means pH scale. pH scale is the measure of strength of acidity of acid and basicity of base. pH scales is the measure of strength of acidity and strength of bases. It is a scale that is from 0 to 14. pH means power of H plus ion, and this reading is from 0 to 14. In pH, P stands for potence in German, means power. On pH scale, we can measure pH generally from 0 to 14, and the pH of natural means neutral solution is 7. Means value less than 7 on pH scale represent acidic in solution, and values greater than 7 it represent basic solution, means increased hydroxide ion. Means we can also say that here in we can goes left, acidity increases, and then we can goes right, then basicity increases, means hydroxide ion increases. Then comes to uses or importance of pH in everyday life. You know, every things is kind of useful of our daily life, uses daily life. Here we can learn how pH uses importance in our daily life. First is our body works between pH 7 to 7.8. Next is pH of rain less than 5.6 called acid rain, means acid rain is pH less than 5.6 is called acid rain. we know that rainwater becomes acidic and it is known as acidic rain. It damages our skin of human body as well as plant function in their metabolic and certain pH. Next comes to a pH of mouth lowers, it provides acidic medium for bacteria to decay our tooth. Means tooth decay starts when pH of mouth less than 5.5. A toothpaste is a base which maintains the pH of mouth and prevents the tooth decay. Next, bee sting. The bee sting is acidic which can be cured using mild ways. Next comes to pH of stomach produces HCl, means hydrochloric acid. pH of stomach is lower due to acid formation. They are known as acidity. The pH of stomach is maintained by bases also known as antacid like sodium bicarbonates.